I think when we receive a space, I feel excited. The blank canvas is an opportunity for us to create something inspiring for everyone. As a designer, we believe we have our own strength, we have our own design direction, we have our own flair. Actually, I don't really believe in trends because it is an accent of that moment, how we can create into our own space and make it timeless. Because I believe trend is just a passing moment, but timeless design stay forever. The site project located in Penchala, we have a nice surrounding green around, so we talk about, okay, why don't we make it urban tropical concept? Urban because it's still within the city, it's nestled in the city, but you have greeneries of as in living in a forest. And tropical doesn't mean that we have to use everything wood. So that's how we come out with insert of bronze finishes, and we add some warm tone and even a bit of dark elements into the space. And the selection of the lighting is something very sleek, so we don't want everything overpowering and fighting with each other. So if we want to focus on the dining table, so we simplified the dining pendant. So that kind of the detailing and thoughtful process that we have to include into the project. Usually when we work with client, the first constraint is of course the budget. But we are very lucky now in a modern world with the modern technology. For example, if you want a wooden floor, a solid timber will cost a bomb. But now we have an option of laminated flooring, SPC flooring, or even tiles flooring that looks like timber. So all this can provide cost efficiency for the project, and it provides more option for us as a designer to explore. To some designers, they thought that this is very glamorous job, but it is not. I don't always look this good. Everything need to be quick and fast. You have to have quick thinking. We have problem at site. How do we resolve it with a contractor? We have to sketch it on a plywood or even on a brick wall. So it's nothing glamorous about our work actually, but it's more about how you can provide solution. Brace yourself with all this material knowledge, because from there you can start to do the detailings. Be a master in detailing, because that is what separates you from other designers, and it can take you further, believe me. I'm Zaihan. This is Joy Through Your Living Space.